Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a transfer with US Bank. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and launch up the app, scroll all the way down here, click on transfer and pay, and then click here on make a transfer. And then in the from section, click on this choose an account, choose your account right here, or you can also set up an external account by clicking here on a link an external account. I'll choose this checking account with $5,000. Then what I want you to do is click here on continue and then choose the account you want to send to. You can also link an external account right here. We'll choose this savings account. Click here on continue. Then you just enter the amount. Scroll down here, click on continue. Review all the details for the transfer. You can have a memo as well and the dates. Click on send transfer. And as you can see, this is the confirmation. We're basically done. Really that easy. And you can also come here to transfers activity and view your history. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked. And that is how to make a transfer with US Bank.